We found with Morton that we have excellent service, excellent warranty. There's not much we have to do to improve on the Morton building. There's not many things we have to fix or take care of. It's so well built, the Morton building's self-maintained.
Whether flying planes is your hobby or business, Morton Buildings hangars provide a quality structure that keeps your investment safe and out of the elements. We have the experience and resources to handle your project from concept through completion, taking the worry out of the construction process.
The Thorpe family has been flying airplanes for a long time, and we have to have them in a storage area or a hangar that's going to be well maintained. It can't leak water, it can't leak anything, and and this particular hangar is somewhat climate controlled, so it's good for the instrumentation and the whole longevity of the airplane.
From choosing the proper insulation to selecting the right doors and features for your hangar, your Morton Buildings sales consultant will work with you every step of the way to ensure that your building is functional, stylish, and dependable for years to come.
My background is construction and engineering, and having in my opinion, confident facility that designs the buildings and figures out the fit, the finish, the details prior to the material arriving at a construction site is important as far as how the project's going to go together and how it's actually going to tie together and be built. In addition to, Morton has crews that understand the Morton building system that work with them, and in my opinion they do a better job than you would randomly if you have somebody who's going to put together a structure that's they've never done or seen before.
Morton Buildings has a wide variety of features and options for you to choose from, and can construct anything from a basic hangar for your backyard to a commercial hangar on airport grounds. We can even add living quarters or an office to your hangar. Because Morton Buildings are post-frame structures, there are no interior walls to interfere with your vision of the perfect hangar. Wide open space and virtually unlimited door options make a Morton building the ideal place to store your aircraft.
I think the marriage between the door manufacturer and the Morton building is important, and they do a nice job.
Morton Buildings are constructed using quality building components and materials. Our construction methods have been tested to ensure that your building stands up to whatever you and Mother Nature have in store. Morton Buildings are also backed by the strongest non-prorated, non-pass-through warranty in the industry.
For having an airplane hangar with a valuable, almost new airplane inside it, the structure and the security of the building is very important. I mean, if we had a hurricane come through, I wouldn't be flying it off to go somewhere else in it. I'd leave it right here. I'm confident that the building would hold up, and we'd be just as safe leaving it inside here. I mean, the structure of the building is solid and very strong. I mean, I feel very confident with it. The way that it was put in, I saw it constructed and erected. It's solid. It's not going anywhere.
Well, unfortunately, last summer we had a very severe hailstorm, and we have farms scattered out in several different areas. But we were probably hit the hardest here in Butler, Illinois. And actually other machine sheds in the area, the hail went through the roofs and injured the equipment in the buildings. With the Morton Buildings, we have dimples in the roofs, but it protected all of our very expensive equipment that we had parked inside.
Morton Buildings protects your investment by keeping the outside elements out and the climate inside your building at an ideal temperature for your equipment. Traditional aircraft hangars are steel-framed buildings that are difficult to insulate and even worse to heat. Another issue with traditional hangars is condensation. Morton Buildings' Energy Performer insulation system and naturally insulating wood framing eliminates these common climate issues.
And that building is so well insulated that the heaters very seldom have to run in the wintertime, maybe once or twice a day, because it just keeps the air out and the heat in.
Morton's Energy Performer insulation package is also economical. Our exclusive insulation system can efficiently maintain the climate inside your building, saving you money on heating and cooling bills. Because your building is protected from the elements, it may even save on your plane's maintenance costs.
We have close to 7,000 square feet in the total building area. It's heated and cooled by geothermal, and we're using less than $100 a month to do both. At 95 outside, it's only 70 inside.
At Morton Buildings, we know protecting your investment is of the utmost importance. That's why we use quality materials and construction methods to construct your hangar. Just as importantly, your team of Morton employees is with you throughout the project to ensure that the end result is a building you can be proud to own.
Yeah, it's funny, like even on my cars and a lot of things, I don't like having other people's logos or names advertising on the back of my car, but I'm proud to have the Morton name on the building.
Your Morton sales consultant is ready to listen to your ideas and work with you to construct your new hangar. For more information, contact your local sales office or visit us online at mortonbuildings.com.